In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in a spreadsheet using the format menu efficiently and accurately. Whether you're organizing your schedule, handling data for work, or simply ensuring everything is visually consistent, adjusting date formats can make your information clearer and more understandable. Let's get started by selecting the cells that contain the dates you want to modify. This is the first crucial step because it tells the program which specific data you wish to change. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired cells. If the dates are scattered throughout your spreadsheet, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each cell individually. This way, you can select non-adjacent cells without losing your initial selection. Once you've selected the relevant cells, look toward the top of your screen to find the Format menu. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down list offering various formatting options. This is your gateway to customizing the appearance of your data. When you click on Format, hover over the number option to reveal additional choices because dates are considered numbers in spreadsheet programs. After choosing number, a secondary menu will appear. Navigate to the Custom Date and Time option. Clicking here invokes a window that showcases a variety of date formats from which you can choose. You'll see familiar options such as YYYY, which is commonly used in the United States, or YYYY, a format frequently favored in Europe. This flexibility allows you to select a format that best suits the needs of your project or matches your local date conventions. If none of the preset formats align perfectly with your preferences, fear not. This window also provides the opportunity to customize your format by using the format boxes at the bottom. For instance, you can mix and match elements like months, days, and years in different sequences, or even choose to display day names or specific time elements if needed. Customization enables you to tailor the format so that it fits seamlessly within your workflow or presentation style. Once you've found or customized the perfect format for your needs, your next step is simple. Just click Apply, and voila! The software will instantly update the appearance of your selected dates to match your chosen format. This small change can significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your document. In conclusion, tailoring date formats to suit your specific needs is an easy and beneficial practice in spreadsheet management. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure clarity, consistency, and precision in all your data-related tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.